How to sign up and create account on Deepseek. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel and I will guide you to create account on Deepseek. Without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch Deepseek AI application on your Android device and then agree to the terms and policy of Deepseek. Here you will land on this page where you will tap in the sign up button at bottom right corner underneath login button. Now simply enter all your credentials like email address, password, confirm the password and enter the code sent on your mobile number. And then you need to check mark the small icon to confirm that you have read to the terms of use and privacy policy and tap on sign up button. As you can see that the sign up has been successful and you are on this page of on the new chat section of Deepseek. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.